G'day, Alfonso here. Just wanted to update you on my travel kit and to show you what's in my photo kit here. Have a look. So here's a top-down view of what I got in my bag. I'm just going to run through and show you very quickly. Just a heads up that this whole kit weighs about 5.5 kilo, perfect for hand carry and good enough to use for the trip. So on the outside there, you can see I've got a iPad. And I got a little stylus pen, which I love to use when I'm editing in Lightroom. And attached to that, I've got a little SanDisk external 1 terabyte drive, SSD, with a hub connected. And in that hub, you can put an SD card or a micro SD card to upload and save directly onto the external drive. When I get back home, I work on a bigger monitor on my laptop attached to a bigger monitor with the images in Lightroom. So on the outside here, I've got a little Siriu Tripod. It's a carbon fiber tripod, weighs less than a kilo. And usually I pack that into my check-in luggage, and then I take this on the plane. Of course, all the batteries, chargers are in the bag. And let me just open up the bag. This bag is a Neewer bag. It's only about 50 Australian dollars. Very lightweight and good enough for the trip. So above here are all the chargers and all the little bits and pieces, cards, SD cards, spare cards. Some chargers. In here I have a Nisi filter, 10-stop filter with a polarizing filter. Here I have a Canon with a 50mm prime lens and a Carl Zeiss 80mm prime lens. And lastly, I've got a Fujifilm XT3 with a 70-300 equivalent to a 1-400mm camera. So this whole kit is more than sufficient for the whole trip. It's nice and lightweight and I love it. Thanks for watching.